Okay, all right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Monday noun. So, girl, yeah. A female child. A young woman is a girl. How cool is that? So, she is a young girl. She used to be a girl years ago, but she has grown up now. She used to be a girl, but she's grown up now. How things have changed. Yeah, how cool is that? And these are our girls. These are our girls, our daughters. Daughters. Father, son, daughter. Daughter. But look, girl is one, singular, and girls is 2 plus, plural. Girls, girl. There are a lot of girls at the school. There are mainly girls in the theatre. Yeah. There aren't many girls in the science department. Okay. Girl and girls. Did you see that girl? Did you see that girl? She used to be a small girl. She used to be small, but now she's a tall girl. Now she is a tall girl. She has grown up. She's grown up. Yeah, how cool is that? They will have a baby girl soon. A baby girl soon. Yes, baby girl. Yes, he will be a father to a girl. They will have a girl together. A girl. A baby girl, yeah. How cool is that? Do you think they will have a girl? Do you think they'll have a girl? It's possible, but is it likely? Not necessarily. I am not sure if they will have a girl, but we will find out. I know that they want a lot of girls, a lot of daughters. I know they want a lot of girls, a lot of daughters, a lot of girls and daughters. Okay? So how cool is that, language explorers? So girl, young girl, and there are a lot of girls. Girl and girls, yes. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So girl. So can you write your own sentence using girl? Yeah, and put it in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification. More videos to come, more videos. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.